morning. I am Nisha Yadav. I am here for presenting my project status presentation on automated bank security software. Table of content, introduction, problem statement, proposed solution, objective, hardware requirement, software requirement, modules, signature verification system, UML diagrams, limitation and advantages, project status, snapshot, conclusion and future scope, references. This project, automated bank security software, includes login and admin through user ID and password, and also gives clerk different IDs and password for logging to the software. System can be entered using username and password, and it's accessible only by administrator, and all the database work is handled by admin itself. The purpose of project is to provide computerized software which is user friendly, simple, fast and cost effective, deals with the collection of customers information, analyze details, etc. Then problem statement. The problem previously was that all the data has been managed manually, and there were some ERPs present for the banking system, but it do not provide any signature verification facility. Then proposed solution. In our proposed system, we are going to provide solution for all the above mentioned problems by automating all the system. All the system will be automated, and this project will not only handle all the banking sector services, but also like creating account, deleting account, and search, managing clerks, etc. But will also be able to be able for signature verification, to provide facility of signature verification and chart management. The system provides security to the customer's account through the automated signature verification. The system accepts signature as input and classified it into the genuine or false. The system model will verify the signature with the maximum accuracy and minimum time using less computational resource. Objective. The objective is to develop this system is to allow administration to have control over the activities of the bank, to make use of the online platform for lesser manual work, to manage information those of the customer, to optimize savings. Signatures are verified by comparing them automatically. Gives graphical representation of yearly, monthly transaction done in the bank. Provides high level of security to prevent from bank forgeries. System hardware requirements. These are the hardware requirements being used during development of this project. That is processor, keyboard, RAM, monitor, mouse, memory, hard disk space, scanner for collecting images, signatures. Then software requirement. These are the software requirements used while development of the project. Any Windows operating system, MySQL for database, Qt for GUI designing, PyCharm for code development, Python libraries, Pandas and NumPy for data analysis, Matplotlib for chart management, OpenCV and TensorFlow for signature verification. Then modules. There are the several modules being used, like login customer, transaction, deposit amount. There are the three major roles, like customer, clerk, admin. Admin will be having the modules create account, modify account, delete account, chart management. Clerk will be having modules like deposit amount, withdraw amount and balance account. Customer will be having have an access to see his bank statement of all the transactions. Then this is project methodology for signature verification system, like signature acquisition, signature pre-processing, feature extraction, processing of signature verification. Take algorithm used neural network, KNN algorithm. In this, for signature verification, the model will be trained with the training data, and the test data will be the signature of the customer whosoever have came for or withdrawal. UML diagrams, class diagram for banking system, and flowchart for signature verification. Advantages. This system helps in carrying out basic transaction of the bank and can be used in any bank. This call for very secure system which is difficult to break. Signature verification can be used at any field to provide authentication of the user. Then project status, installation of all the software, PyCharm, Qt Designer, MySQL has been done. Installation of Python libraries for data analysis has been done. Installation of libraries for image processing has been done. Rough plan for the project is designed. Login page has been created. Roles like admin, clerk, customer has been created. Admin work pages, GUI and coding has been done, and working database has been created. Then snapshots, this is the login as page. It has 3 rows: administrator, clerk and customer. If the user, based on the role, the user can log into the software. If the user is an administrator and enters his given user ID and the password, and that user ID and the password is present in the database, then he will be able to enter into the software. If it's incorrect, then he will not be able to enter into the software. Then if an user is an admin, then he will be having 2 choices, either to manage customer or to manage clerk. If the admin clicks on the customer button, then he will be having 5 operations, like adding customer, updating customer, delete customer, search customer and view statement. Then this is the bank account opening form. This is for updating the customer details at any moment of time, and this is for delete customer. Conclusion and feature scope. Newly security features like face recognition can be added into the software for a more authentication of the customer. This can be made as Android application. Additional modules like best employee of the year can be added to it based on the employees. Based on employees' performance and data. This can be made as web application. SMS facility can be added into it. Then references. These are the references from which I have took the data. I have researched for the signature verification. Thank you.